Welcome to the channel. My name is Jodie Knight. I'm a popular investor over on eToro there. Just going to have a quick look at the Sofi charts and see what we're working with this week since the sell-off. Sofi had a wicked nice bounce there. I loved seeing that. Wasn't expecting that given financials. I thought we're going to take most of the battering, but great to see it hold this blue line here. Mainly what I'm looking for now is it to hold the area. I don't think too much exciting is going to happen between now and next earnings unless the market has an insane rally, which given the state of things and the shaky footing, I'm not sure is going to happen. So this historical resistance level here and the bull market band are going to be pretty hard shelves to beat, I think, in the short term. But for the downside, again, we're looking to stay mainly above this blue line and this red line here. The RSI is looking at like it wants to go a bit oversold. Not a problem. It typically doesn't like going too much lower than this, so I'm not overly concerned about that. The golden cross, I don't like that it's pinching together, and the institutionals have slipped out of this with whales retail pushing out, and then flow is kind of negative neutral, so not ideal on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly though when it loads. Doesn't look too bad on the weekly. Much obviously, I think everyone can say they would have preferred it hold this line, but the broad market sell-off that we've had was a bit of an unavoidable event by the looks of things. I could probably move this trend line a little bit. It probably makes more sense there now. So that's the pattern we're working with now. I think a bounce here would be ideal. It looks pretty good on the weekly so far, but again, it's only Wednesday, so we'll see how the rest of the week goes. If we continue to have market drawdown, that's going to be a bit of an issue. That's going to weigh this one down quite a lot, I think. Weekly RSI neutral. Death cross here on the weekly looks like it wants to come together, which is promising. I like that. And we had the golden cross. That seems to have killed itself off with the neutral flow there. So overall, chart is still meh, but the fundamentals for the company and earnings were excellent. I'm very happy with my position on this one. If price goes down more, I'm going to buy more. My take profit, I don't really want to take any profit until we're comfortably over the $10 range. I think there's a lot of growth levers this company can pull, so I'm excited to see where they can go with that. So let's take a look at the options market, shall we? So it doesn't look too bad. There's a lot of bullish sentiment coming in. I think people want to buy this dip. Definitely in the short term, it's a good bouncing area. You can see the range that it's been trading at, so it makes sense why a lot of people are looking at that level. Again, $10 still a target on this one. Let's take a little look to next week. That $6 is really strong support. It's going to be a tough one to break under that. I think a lot of people probably close their shorts there. And then we can take a look over at January 2025. A lot more disparity here, but a lot of people seeming to lean bullish on this one, at least at key areas, $10 and $15, picking out the round numbers, so that's nice to see. A lot of downside worries still. I think this is mainly a bit of lag from the credit concerns, although during the earnings call, they made a lot of great commentary on new products they're bringing out. They're starting to push the credit cards. The charge-offs were looking really good. They'd have to go through a significant black swan to see that become an issue, so that put the short report that was recently released to rest. So I'm very happy with that. So taking another look at January 2026. More of the same, really. The bears are starting to fade away as the economy, in theory, is turning around in this time frame. So that's looking all positive. So I figured it was time to treat you all to my face. What a delight for you. Not sure I'll use it all the time because I'm going to order a new camera because I think this built-in one with my laptop's a bit garbage, and the light from the window here makes it go a bit grainy. So I probably need to sort out some kind of lighting. And also, I don't always want to not wear my pajamas when I'm recording these, so we'll see how that goes. But if you enjoyed this content, give me a like, a share, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.